Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to enable and disable the child lock system for the passengers doors in the back side of your Audi A3 or A3 Sportback device here. It's a nice car, and if your children are inside, maybe it's possible to open the doors from the inner side, and that's not so good if your children will do this while you are driving. There is a solution for it. Let's have a look. We open the door and looks at the lock, and above the lock there is a cover, and if you go around the edge a little bit, you can see there is a scribble. It looks like a child, isn't it? Yes. And this area you have to perform there by using your key, your emergency key, okay? This key is to rotate a little bit to the right side, and then it is manually locked. If you have a car with a remote system, then you can perform this from the inner side of your car and on the driver's side. That's an additional part which you can buy separately or additionally while you're buying this Audi. Where to find it? You have to switch on the ignition. You do not have to switch on your car. And then you can see there are two buttons with some kids on it. Okay, you can see the car is on, and now we can push on that buttons there because these are the remote buttons to control this children's security lock from the car front side. Oh, that's cool. Now you can see the information light is on, and let's check this. It is closed. Oh yeah, and the same is our with our window. It's closed too. Your children cannot open a door or open the window at the back side of your car. That's cool because it's a additional safety thing inside your car. If you unlock it, your children can open the door again, as you can see, or of course, adult people can do that the same, of course. But so you can control the window system and the child lock for the back doors on your Audi A3 or S3 Sportback. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.